Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to make super easy, cheesy birria sliders. So if you're ready, let's get started. Alrighty guys, so we're going to begin by softening our chiles for our birria sauce. Here I have my 7 New Mexico chile pots. They're nice and clean. Add them to a saucepan along with 2 chile anchos and 3 chile árbol. Now we're just going to cover them with water. Set it over high heat and bring it to a boil. Ready? So once they're done, we're going to turn it off and take it to our blender cup. Okay, now before we blend our chiles, we're going to pulverize our spices. So to the blender cup, add a piece of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of oregano, peppercorn, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, thyme, and a 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger. Along with that, 2 bay leaves. Okay, now we're just going to pulverize until everything is nice and ground. And I almost forgot, but we're also going to pulverize 8 whole cloves. Okay, so we're just going to continue pulverizing. Okay, so once we have pulverized our spices, now we can get ready to add the rest of our ingredients. So that's 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 5 garlic cloves, along with all of our chiles, and 2 cups of beef broth. Okay, now blend until smooth. Okay, so once we have our birria sauce, now we can get ready to prepare our meat. Okay, now for my meat, I'm using 3 pounds of chuck pot roast. We're just going to season it with 1 tablespoon of salt and a little black pepper. And I already cut my chuck into large pieces, but just make sure to season it with salt and black pepper all around, okay? And once we have it, we can get ready to take it to the pot. Okay, now here we're just going to transfer our meat to our pressure cooker. To that, we're going to add our birria sauce and strain if you need to. And along with that, 2 more cups of water or beef broth. Okay, add 2 bay leaves. Cover it. Okay, now pressure cook on high for 1 hour. Alright guys, and after 1 hour, our birria is done. So now we're just going to remove it from the pressure cooker. Okay, so here we can get ready to shred it. And I like to remove the fat, but of course, if you like that, you can always keep it. Okay, so once we have our birria all nice and shredded, here we're just going to add some consomme. And here you can taste your birria and adjust it for salt. But now that we have that, now we can get ready to put our sliders together. And here to my melted butter, I'm going to be adding about 2 tablespoons of the consomme. Okay, so just mix it. And along with that, half a teaspoon of garlic salt. Okay, once we have it, we're just going to brush it to the bottom of our baking sheet. Okay, once we have that, we're just going to get our sliders of choice. I'm going to place them over. Remove the top. Here we're going to layer it with our queso Oaxaca. Okay, so once we have layered our bread, we're just going to get a birria and place it over. Okay, so now we're just going to top it with some onion or some cilantro and a little bit more cheese. Okay, now place your top buns over. Okay, now just brush it with the butter. Okay, now we're just going to place them in our oven and allow that cheese to melt. Okay, and once they're done, we're just going to brush them one more last time with the butter. Okay, and now we can get ready to serve. Cheers and enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now of course you're gonna serve your birria sliders with the side of consomme, but let me tell you that this right here is super easy to make. It's so delicious, always a crowd pleaser. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. Seriously, the best.